Hi there, today I'm going to show you two ways to install a plugin on WordPress. The first way that I'm going to show you is if you're installing a free plugin from the WordPress directory. On your dashboard, go to Plugins and Add New. This will bring you to the WordPress directory. You'll see some of the most popular plugins showing up on the first page. And there's a search bar at the top if you want to search for a particular plugin, if you know the name of it. If you scroll down, you'll see a few different ones. I'm going to search for one called Yoast SEO, so that's the one I want to install today. So if you type it into the search bar, and the first one that comes up is Yoast SEO. That's the one I want, so click Install Now. And then click Activate. The plugin will now show up in your installed plugins list, and you can change any settings that need changing. The second way I'm going to show you is if you've bought a premium plugin, this will have been downloaded to your computer. You'll save it into a zip file, and you need to install this slightly differently to the others. Now, to install this type of plugin, you need to head over to the plugins area again and click Add New. Now this time we're going to go to the top where it says Upload Plugin and click on that, and then you'll see it says Choose File. So you click on here, you can then choose the file from your computer. Once you've found the file on your computer, just choose it, click and open. Now you'll see it showing here, and all you have to do then is click Install Now. Now you might have to wait a little while for it to install. And once it's installed, it'll show in your plugin dashboard area, and you can change the settings that are needed, the same as with all the other plugins. So that's two easy ways to install a plugin on WordPress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be great if you could hit the like button below. And if you want to see more of this type of video, you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. You can find more WordPress information and resources at explorewp.com.